In 2013, I was on the southeast side of Portland, Oregon to check out a market cranking out German sausage. I find out it's not just one sausage or two sausages they're making over 120 different types of sausage. And these days, the list keeps growing. This is Edelweiss Sausage Delicatessen.
Currywurst coming up.
I saw Edelweiss on Triple D, and I had to come try it for myself, and it definitely lived up to the hype.
If you have gone to Germany and you fell in love with those foods over there, this is where you'll find them.
This is a multi-generational family business, thriving and doing great.
And started by George Baer, who brought all his meatpacking skills from Berlin and opened this place in '82. Then he passed that knowledge on to his sons, Tom and Tony. So it's the two of you?
Yeah.
The two Utes?
Yep.
Is your dad still involved?
No, he's not. He's down in Arizona.
Since the show, my brother is retired, so now it's just me, my kids, and my wife.
Thai chili jerky.
It's a family business, and they know how to do things right.
What are we gonna make?
We're gonna make a dry-cured Italian wine salami.
Italian.
We're gonna start with the pork fat.
So this is all frozen. This is gonna get gnarly.
All right, nice fine dice.
Look at that.
We're gonna add the beef to it.
What cuts?
Bottom rounds.
Bottom rounds.
Yep. There we go. Just gotta add the seasoning. This is the curing salt, sugar, Morton salt, dextrose. We'll add the white pepper, ground fennel, black pepper, whole fennel,
Nice.
juniper berry, crushed garlic, whole bottle of Italian red wine.
Italian.
And it's ready for stuffing.
How magical is that? I'm getting one of these, Lori, for the house. I'm shipping it home.
That thing was ancient. The motor was probably 55 years old. Since then, we've managed to upgrade it to a brand new one we had shipped from Germany, thanks to the show. We should have boxed the other one and sent it to Guy as a gift.
It's gonna be right there next to the new butcher block I just bought. All right, let me give this a shot.
All right.
I'm gonna wear half of this. I can already feel it. Pull.
Nice. This will dry up well. We'll let it cure and hang for a couple of days.
Smell that.
There we go.
Wow. I would do damage on a deli with this.
Since the show, we've probably quadrupled the quantity.
It's just been growing since then and has continued to make recipes that have that German feel to them.
Labor Day sandwich for Gretchen.
There's always something new to come and try.
This is our Thai chili pepper jerky. We take a cow top round, we slice it a little over 1/4 inch so that it has a little bit of softness to it. We're gonna add the beef into our little mixing bag. We'll start with some salt, brown sugar, black pepper, curing salt, clover honey, spicy Thai chili pepper seasoning. We blend our Thai chilies with fresh garlic cloves, a little rice wine vinegar and brown sugar. Seal this up. We're gonna tumble it for 4 hours, allowing the cells to absorb the flavors. We're gonna season our jerky with some crushed red pepper and then some black pepper. Smoke it at 200 degrees. After 2 hours, it'll be completely finished. Here's your Thai chili jerky.
Thank you very much.
There's a pretty good balance between the spiciness and the sweetness. And on top of that, the bite is really nice.
It is so tender. If you like a kick in your beef jerky, this is definitely the jerky for you. They just have a great product, a lot of great products, actually.
Chili cheese dog with sauerkraut.
OMG.
Last time Guy was here, he had the Schweinebau.
House-made bologna. Not just wrapped in bacon, but cooked in its own bacon. That's out of bounds.
Guy also had roasted garlic and fresh rosemary bologna.
Oh, killer.
This is a place to come and relive some of that German experience.
There's so many different things to try here.
We're gonna make pizza loaf. First thing we need to do is make the emulsion.
We're gonna start with the back fat. We're gonna dice it.
Here in the monster?
Yep. This is the ground meats.
The chuck and the pork shoulder. Now, ice.
We gotta keep it cold when it's blending. If it gets hot, it'll separate.
Gonna add the salt, sugar, and the cure, some dried mustard and smoked paprika, mace and cumin. cardamom and coriander, white pepper and garlic powder. Now we'll turn it up on high. Sun-dried tomatoes, crushed red pepper, toasted onions, fire-roasted bell peppers, pork shoulder. Now we'll add our Swiss cheese and our cheddar. The final step, we'll add our black olives, mix it for a minute until everything's well incorporated. We're gonna go ahead and put this in the loaf pan, 250 degrees for 2.5 hours. Now we're gonna slice a nice steak out of the pizza loaf, grill it, chop it up into some sticks, add some marinara, and it's ready to go.
Pizza loaf with the homemade marinara sauce.
The pizza loaf is phenomenal. It's got a little crunch on the outside. It reminds me a little bit of mozzarella sticks, but meatier.
It has such a nice flavor to it. It's really delicious.
You know, we've all heard the term living the American dream. Well, I'm here in Charlotte, North Carolina, a mile from the downtown area, where a Serbian family is living the American dream. They got a funky little joint where they're serving up, now get this, pizza and Serbian food, just what you'd expect. This is Intermezzo Pizzeria.
It's something way more than a regular pizzeria.
Francese, order up. It's a very, very diverse menu.
Eggplant moussaka. Literally, I forget I'm in Charlotte when I'm here.
This feels like going to a Serbian home.
It basically is, with brothers Georgi and Branko Avramovic and Mom Dobrila dishing it up. Who's in charge? Mom's in charge, let's face it. I know. But it was Dad who first wanted to open a neighborhood joint. Was your father part of opening this?
No, my father passed away a year and a half after we came here.
His sons kept working on his dream, and in 2007, finally made it happen.
Karageorgieva, order up.
This is the place to come for traditional food made in a traditional way.
Piroshka, order up.
The piroshka is like a calzone, but better. It's like pizza to the 9th degree.
All right, man.
We're gonna get pizza sauce, tomato paste, crushed tomatoes.
I'm gonna end up wearing some of the pizza sauce.
Oh, come on. Then add Parmesan, salt, pepper, parsley, oregano. Mix this
How
up.
long does this come together for flavor?
At least 24 hours.
Okay, and then it's good to go.
Whoa!
You're dangerous with that. You have to stay away from me.
On guard.
Now we're going to make the
piroshka.
Throwing a few pizzas in your day.
No.
Yeah. Mozzarella cheese.
Mozzarella cheese, a little bit of ricotta, parsley, garlic, mix. Mushrooms, ham.
And this is a traditional piroshka.
Yes, from my neck of the woods.
I like this. And we go to the oven.
505.
505.
Yeah, 10 minutes.
Look at that thing, huh?
Sour cream goes on top of piroshka. Provolone cheese on top. Pizza sauce. This is how we serve it.
This is how we serve it?
Yep, you've been served.
Wow, that's really, really good. The yeast in the dough really adds a nice tang. The sour cream, without question, is fantastic. And then the mushrooms and the ham, they're dynamite. I'm actually disappointed that I haven't tried this before. You learn something new every day. Piroshka.
Piroshka.
Outstanding.
Thank you.
Piroshka?
It's like the flavor explosion of pizza that's inside out.
One of the best things I've ever eaten.
Everything I've had here has been excellent.
It's just a great sense of a community.
It seems like everybody that comes in here has known these guys forever.
Even if they don't always know what they're saying. I can imagine you bring people in for the pizza, but they come back for the Serbian.
I would say over 50% is Serbian food, which we did not expect at first.
Order up.
If you come here, you'll feel warm, you'll feel welcomed, and you'll have a great meal.
Home run for sure.
I think your dad would be so incredibly proud of you and your brother and your mom for what you've done. Gotta come meet this family. They are living the American dream. Delicious. So Hunter and I are right off the Strip in Las Vegas. And Hunter, when you were going to UNLV, what was one of your favorite places to eat at?
Oh, pizza joints, always.
Exactly. But out of 10 pizza joints, how many are great?
You like one.
How do you find that great place?
Dad, it's easy. You watch Triple D.
Haha, that's my boy. This is Marsigliano's Pizzeria and More.
2 minutes to serve.
When I find something good like this, I tell everybody.
Sam, grab me another 18-inch dough, please.
Richie is salt of the earth.
He does it right. He does it with a smile.
He doesn't want customers. He wants family.
But Richie Marsigliano walked away from his family's pizza business as a kid on Staten Island, only to come full circle in Vegas after a tough life lesson. You got in some trouble.
Yes.
Went away for a couple years.
Yes.
So when you got out, your first job was working for Chuck.
At the barbecue place.
John Moles.
John Moles.
As a dishwasher.
And he said to me, you're a great worker, but your life sucked.
You now own a restaurant that's being featured on the Food Network.
Yes, I am.
Dude, that's insane.
Here's your chicken parm stromboli.
The chicken parm stromboli takes his tender chicken, his marinara, he wraps it around with delicious crust from the pizza. It is absolutely amazing.
One type of dough?
Yes, one type of dough. I'm gonna add the water first. Activate the yeast, let it twirl around.
Twirl.
That's twirling, isn't it?
Show me twirl.
Here, do a twirl.
No,
Come
do
here.
it.
I don't do twirls. No.
Here, I'll do a twirl. And then we're gonna put all the seasonings in. Onion.
Onion powder?
Never seen the onion powder.
Sugar.
And the salt. Caputo flour.
That'll twirl for 15 minutes.
It'll come out, we'll let it proof.
Maybe hour, then we portion it out.
And then how long are we gonna let it rest?
1 day.
Now what are we into?
Marinara sauce. We're gonna start browning the garlic. We're gonna blend celery and onions. Pepper.
Red and green bell pepper in the marinara.
Of course.
This is getting good.
I take my red wine.
Stop the garlic from burning.
Get this all good going.
Get this all good going.
Tomatoes.
Parsley. Granulated garlic. Black pepper.
Oregano. Some more onion powder.
You and your onion powder.
Sugar. Fresh basil. It's gonna cook for like 2.5 hours.
All right, into chicken parm.
Just fillet it nice here like that. Pound it.
AP flour.
Do a little egg wash like this.
Italian breadcrumbs.
Put them in the fryer.
All right, let's hear it, Chef.
I'm gonna dice it to nice little pieces like this. Get my pizza dough. Now I'm just gonna open this all up. Take some mozzarella cheese, chicken breast, ricotta cheese in here. The marinara sauce that we made, roll this over. We're gonna come in here, 500 degrees for maybe about 8 minutes. And here's this.
Here's that.
Then we gotta dress it up.
Garlic butter.
Little Parmesan cheese, parsley, cut it up. And I'm gonna present it to you.
Great crust.
I'm gonna take a bite. Why can't I be part of this?
You're not from Triple D land.
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am. The onion, it sings all the way through.
Gives you that little kick.
It's very hearty. And the marinara, nice, fresh, clean. I think it's dynamite. You know, I love being from California. We got some of the best of the best. But what I wish we had more of is old school Italian delis like this, where they're scratch making their own desserts. They got a deli case full of everything. We're talking about prepared meals. We're talking fresh pasta, homemade sausage. I mean, you name it, they got it. So the next time you find yourself in Robbinsville, New Jersey, you got to check out Dolce and Clemente's. Hey! Right on.
Stuffed roast pork's ready. Come get it.
Just an awesome place.
Who's next?
Authentic Italian. There's nothing here that isn't.
So you got the ricotta there for the sauce?
More than 100 fresh, home-cooked items every single day.
Locatelli.
Which are Italian specialties owner Joe Clementi has learned over a lifetime.
I started when I was 9 in my family's business.
That was Clementi's Italian Market in Brooklyn, not far from the butcher shop that Joe's father-in-law, Frank Dolce, grew up in. Dolce Meats.
Dolce Meats. It started at 8 years old.
And after Joe spent time as a New York City cop, he and Frank joined forces to open up this mother of a market deli and restaurant. What did the family think of this idea?
First, terrible.
Nobody was excited about this? But it's a perfect combo.
Yes. You get everything from sauces to salads.
And homemade Italian breads that are just delicious.
I'll take one prosciutto bread, please. Stuffed prosciutto bread, my most favorite thing that Dolce Clemente serves.
Filled with all different varieties of meats.
Stuffed prosciutto bread? Hit it.
First, we're gonna put it in the prosciutto.
So quiet.
Next, we'll put the ham in, mortadella.
Ground up mortadella. That should have been my middle name.
Next, we're gonna put the supersada in.
Where'd this recipe come from?
My grandfather. Pepperoni. During the holidays, we'll sell between 15 and 20,000 of these Christmas week.
I'm sorry, 15 to what?
20,000.
Of this?
Of these.
And you break them all here?
All here. I put the provolone last so it can grab all the meat that's left inside there.
I dig it.
I'm gonna put the crushed black pepper in.
I would like a snow cone of that, please. Just for science. Oh, don't touch that.
We're gonna make the dough now, so we're gonna dump the water in the mixing bowl. Yeast.
Salt and sugar together.
Next is the oil.
Type of flour we're working with?
High gluten.
Like a pizza dough
Like a
flour.
pizza dough flour, yep.
On the mixture, how long?
About 10, 12 minutes. Then we portion it, then we let it rest overnight.
Okay.
This is how we've been doing it for years in my family. Push it down on one side, you flip it over, you make sure you got enough on the other side, and you pick it up and fold it over from the outside, and start kneading it forward. You just roll it.
That's the official football of Flavor Town. I gotta see that again. Set some music to it for me. Maybe Italian opera. Then we bake it off. What temp?
350. 38 minutes.
Not 37?
38, exactly.
Too pretty to cut.
No, you gotta cut one and try.
All right. Stromboli gone wild.
You take some olive oil, extra virgin, some locatelli.
I'm setting these out for Christmas.
Just a little parsley to dress it up. So here you go.
It's too pretty to eat. No, it's not. That is ridiculous. When you cook these Italian meats and you let all the fat cook into the dough, you just get all the flavor. The depth of flavor in this is massive. The key, though, is how you cook the meat on the outside of the bread.
Gives it that crunch.
Out of bounds. Seriously, out of bounds.
Thank you.
Oh, you want this for sure. Trust me. One more bite just for you. I'm here at Jackson, Wyoming, about a half block off the town square, right in front of the Pink Garter Theater. Now, back in the day, this was the theater that you came to catch a musical or a play. Now it's where you come to see some rockin' bands. And speaking of rockin', locals around here tell me you want some rockin' pizza, you gotta go to the joint right under the theater. This is Pinky G's Pizzeria. These pizzas are the creation of chef and owner Tom Fay, who came back home after culinary school and opened this joint in 2011. When did you get the brainchild to open up the pizza joint?
Knowing that we needed to fill a niche in town, serve pizza by the slice, and just...
So no one was doing pizza by the slice?
No, just needed to be up to par. We needed some good pizza in town. Funky chicken.
I love the funky chicken pizza. It's probably one of the most delicious pieces of pizza I've had.
Time to get down with the funky chicken.
Starts with the chicken. Chicken breasts. Some fresh chopped basil.
A boatload of garlic.
Lemon slices. And oil.
So how long are we gonna let this marinate?
24 hours.
24 hours into a sheet pan, then in the oven. And we're gonna cook it at this 525?
575.
575. All right, how long we been in?
25 minutes.
That smells awesome.
Dust the peel here.
Is this a cornmeal and flour?
Yep.
You hand throw all this?
Hand tossed. It's the only way to go.
Whoa!
Hey now.
I like that. Okay, first up, pesto.
Fresh basil pesto. Mozzarella cheese. Another roasted chicken. Artichoke hearts.
Red onions.
And ricotta cheese.
Here we go.
575.
For how long?
10 minutes.
Look at that. That's not hot at all. When the pesto's boiling on the pizza, note to self.
Let it cool.
Let it cool, fool. Roasting the chicken with the garlic, outrageous. Making your own pesto, over the top. A little bit of that ricotta coming in, creaminess, saltiness. How did you come up with the name Funky Chicken?
Funky Chicken is just one of my favorite dances.
Oh. There's one other person that I know the Funky Chicken is one of her favorite dances. Let's get Aunt Polly on the phone.
Hey, honey.
Hi, Aunt Polly. How are you? I'm at a joint in Jackson, Wyoming, and they have a pizza called the Funky Chicken.
No way.
Can you give me a little Funky Chicken?
Sure.
Okay, here we go.
You ready? How funky is your chicken? How loose is your goose?
All right.
Thank you, Polly. Thank you, Polly.